Yo, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't done so already, and I know a lot of you haven't, subscribe, please. Today, doing something a little bit different. Something that I've never had to do before. We're going to a job that we've been doing over the past couple of months, and I'm going to be killing the power and cutting everything out of the job. Every last socket, switch, light, pendant, smoke detector, even the light bulbs. May even take the Wagos back from the back of the switches. I'm having them back as well. So the video is probably going to be pretty quick because there's not much to show. It'll just be like a little montage probably of me chopping and ripping things apart, unfortunately. But hey, that's the way it goes, so stay tuned. I may explain myself and explain what I'm up to later on. So yeah, hope you enjoy it. I finally got my tester back. It's been about 6 days or something, 7 days. Nice and well packed. There she is. Oh lovely, she's back. It's nicely even put, it's even nicely packed all my leads back away. Take that home with me, that stays in the house, just in case I get robbed again. So if you've stayed all the way to the end of this video to find out why I just ripped out all that work, as you can see by the mains board, it wasn't even labelled up yet. We was like this close to completing that job. So if you've stayed now just to find out why I ripped out all that work, then I'm afraid you're gonna have to subscribe and hit the notification bell and find out on the next video. That's when I'll tell you. In the meantime, if you think you already know, comment below. If anyone gets it right, I will reply to the comment and say you are right, something like that. So yeah, stay tuned and thanks for watching.